I am Lisa Easom Howard, and I am the Executive Director of the Macy Easom Research Foundation.
On behalf of the foundation, Jeff and myself, we want to thank each and every one of you for coming out and participating today and for your support.
Today we're playing 3 teams, first place, second place, third place. You see the gift certificates on there. Of course, this is not about what you win today. Everybody wins today by you being here.
The Macy Easom Memorial Golf Tournament is an annual event. We partner with Middle Georgia Orthopedics as the corporate sponsor for this event. It's one of our major fundraisers.
This golf tournament is special to us in a lot of different ways. We host many tournaments throughout the year, but in this tournament, it's like we're a partner with the Easom family and what this tournament represents.
My relationship with Macy is she was my niece. I have one brother, her dad, Jeff, and I.
I'm Dr. Jeff Easom. I'm a practicing orthopedic surgeon with Middle Georgia Orthopedics in Warner Robins, Georgia.
Macy enjoyed music, she enjoyed painting. Of the twins, Megan had the more dominant personality where Macy was a little bit more passive. Also enjoyed dress up. She was all little girl, where Megan was a little bit more of a tomboy. Macy was the little princess of the group. After her passing, my brother and I discussed doing something in her memory.
The Macy Easom Foundation was started after the loss of my daughter to a rare childhood cancer called hepatoblastoma.
Hepatoblastoma is a liver cancer, typically seen in children and typically seen in young children. My name is Dr. Charles Keller. I'm the Scientific Director of the Children's Cancer Therapy Development Institute.
We are lucky that this year we also have Dr. Charles Keller, who is our lead pediatric research doctor. We are so grateful for all the work he's done on behalf of our foundation.
My role at the Macy Easom Cancer Research Foundation is as a scientific advisor to facilitate evaluation of potential research projects at laboratories across the United States and in the world. Curing cancer should be as easy as 1, 2, 3. We should understand how the cancer works, find targets, develop drugs against those targets, and then with the drugs that work, move those into clinical trials. The part in the middle is the preclinical gap. Because of the preclinical gap, there really haven't been any new drugs introduced for childhood liver tumors since the early 1970s. That's where the Macy Easom Cancer Research Foundation fits in. They're filling in the preclinical gap, the gap between basic science discovery and then bringing those drugs to clinical trials.
As adults, we need to learn from these children. No matter what obstacles they face, they get up and they keep going, and we need to find a way to help these children, to become their advocates, to make sure that we can stop this and that every child is able to live a full, complete life.
The foundation gives me an opportunity to in some way approach this cancer in a fashion that will lead to advancements and hopefully treatment that other families will not have to suffer through this. When people ask me how they can help, I have a simple saying: it's not about how much you can give, it's just what you're able to give, and the willingness to give is what matters.
There are always going to be things that are not going to be the way we want them to, but these children keep looking for the good, and that's what we need to continue doing, and that these children don't have to face this anymore.
So that's what the Macy Easom Cancer Research Foundation is doing, is drawing together all the best resources across the globe to the problem, but also bringing in the best surgeons, bringing in the best oncologists, and bring in the best clinical trialists so that next time that some family faces the same situation that Jeff and Angel did with Macy, that there'll be real reason to have hope.